Welcome back to Agri Chronicles and our series on beneficial insects, the unsung heroes of farms and gardens around the world. In our last episodes, we explored some of the smaller allies in the insect world, but today we meet one of nature's most fascinating and feared predators, the praying mantis. Don't be fooled by their calm, almost holy pose. The praying mantis, with its serene and almost meditative stance, might appear to be a harmless creature, but beneath this tranquil exterior lies a formidable predator. Their stillness is not a sign of peace, but rather a calculated strategy to ambush their prey. They wait patiently, blending seamlessly into their surroundings until the perfect moment to strike. These elegant creatures are silent assassins, perfectly evolved to keep pest populations in check. Their hunting technique is a marvel of nature. With lightning-fast reflexes, they can snatch an unsuspecting insect out of the air or off a leaf in the blink of an eye. This makes them invaluable allies in gardens and farms, where they help control pests that could otherwise damage crops. The praying mantis gets its name from the way it holds its front legs together, as if in prayer. This iconic pose is not just for show. Those front legs are equipped with sharp spines and are incredibly strong, allowing the mantis to grasp and hold onto its prey with a vice-like grip. Once caught, there is little chance of escape for the unfortunate victim. But in truth, those legs are deadly weapons. They are designed to pierce and hold on to prey, ensuring that once the mantis has its meal in its grasp, it cannot get away. The mantis then uses its powerful mandibles to devour its catch, often starting with the head to quickly immobilize its prey. This insect belongs to the order Mantidae, with over 2,400 known species worldwide. Each species has adapted to its environment in unique ways, with variations in size, color, and hunting techniques. Some are masters of camouflage, blending into leaves, flowers, or even tree bark, while others rely on their speed and agility to catch their prey. Found in gardens, grasslands, forests, and even urban areas, mantises are masters of stealth and surprise. Their ability to blend into their surroundings makes them nearly invisible to both predators and prey. Whether hiding among the leaves in a dense forest or perched on a flower in a garden, the praying mantis is always ready to strike. Their presence is a testament to the incredible adaptability and diversity of life on Earth. The praying mantis is widely regarded as a top-tier garden predator, and for good reason. With its alien-like appearance and lightning-fast reflexes, this insect is both fascinating to watch and incredibly effective at keeping pest populations in check. In gardens around the world, the praying mantis stands as a silent guardian, patrolling the leaves and stems with a calm, almost meditative presence. Its triangular head swivels with uncanny precision, scanning its environment for the slightest movement that might signal the approach of prey. Unlike spiders, which rely on intricate webs to ensnare their meals, the praying mantis takes a very different approach to hunting. Spiders weave their sticky traps and wait for unsuspecting insects to stumble in, but the mantis prefers a more active, hands-on strategy. And while ladybugs are known for their relentless pursuit of aphids and other small pests, darting from leaf to leaf in search of food, the mantis is the embodiment of patience. It doesn't chase its prey across the garden, instead it relies on stealth and surprise. Instead, the praying mantis waits, still patient and almost invisible, hidden among the leaves and flowers. Its body is perfectly designed for camouflage, with colors and shapes that mimic the plants around it. Whether it's blending in with a green stem or hiding among the petals of a flower, the mantis becomes nearly impossible to spot. This remarkable disguise allows it to ambush prey with incredible efficiency, remaining undetected until the very last moment. The mantis's ability to blend in is so effective that even experienced gardeners can overlook them, mistaking them for just another part of the plant. When a victim, be it a grasshopper, aphid, caterpillar, or beetle, wanders too close, the mantis springs into action. In a fraction of a second, it strikes with astonishing speed, using its powerful forelegs to snatch the unsuspecting insect out of the air or off the leaf. This rapid movement is almost too fast for the human eye to follow, making the mantis one of the most formidable ambush predators in the insect world. Its hunting technique is a marvel of evolution, honed over millions of years to maximize its chances of success. The mantis's spiked forelegs snap shut like a bear trap, holding the prey firmly in place. These specialized limbs are lined with sharp spines that prevent any chance of escape, ensuring that once the mantis has its meal, there's no getting away. As it feeds, the mantis uses its strong mandibles to efficiently consume its catch, often starting with the head to quickly subdue its prey. This methodical approach to eating not only provides the mantis with vital nutrients but also helps keep the garden free of destructive pests. Even larger pests, such as crickets and small wasps, aren't safe from the mantis's grasp. Its strength and agility allow it to tackle prey much bigger than itself, making it a valuable ally for any gardener hoping to maintain a healthy, balanced ecosystem. The praying mantis's role as a top-tier predator is essential for controlling populations of harmful insects, reducing the need for chemical pesticides, and promoting natural biodiversity. In the world of garden predators, few can match the skill, patience, and effectiveness of the remarkable praying mantis. So why is the praying mantis considered a beneficial insect? Quite simply, it controls pest populations without the need for chemical pesticides. On farms and in home gardens, this means fewer caterpillars chewing your leaves, fewer grasshoppers nibbling your harvest, and a healthier ecological balance. They're generalist predators, meaning they'll feed on whatever pests are most abundant. However, the mantis doesn't discriminate. It will eat bees, butterflies, and even other mantises if given the chance. This is why their role in pest management works best as part of a balanced ecosystem, alongside other beneficial insects. Think of them not as selective protectors but as nature's population regulators. If you want to invite these patient predators into your space, the key is to create a habitat they'll love. Praying mantises are fascinating insects known for their stealthy hunting skills and unique appearance. By making a few thoughtful changes to your garden or outdoor area, you can encourage these beneficial creatures to take up residence and help keep pest populations in check naturally. Start by planting a variety of native vegetation. Native plants are best because they're adapted to your local climate and provide the right kind of shelter and food sources for mantises and the insects they prey on. Dense vegetation, such as shrubs, tall grasses, and flowering plants, offers plenty of hiding spots for mantises to ambush their prey. The more diverse your plant selection, the more likely you are to attract a healthy balance of insects, which in turn supports a thriving mantis population. It's also important to avoid using broad-spectrum pesticides in your garden. These chemicals don't just target harmful pests, they can also kill beneficial insects like praying mantises and the smaller insects they rely on for food. Instead, try using organic or natural pest control methods, such as introducing companion plants that repel unwanted bugs or encouraging birds and other natural predators. A healthy, pesticide-free garden will support a balanced ecosystem where mantises can thrive. Another key step is to leave some areas of your garden a little wild. Tall grasses, dense shrubs, and untrimmed corners provide perfect spots for mantises to lay their egg cases, known as ootheca. These egg cases are often attached to sturdy stems or branches where they'll be safe from predators and harsh weather. By resisting the urge to over-manicure your garden, you give mantises the safe spaces they need to reproduce. In late summer and fall, keep an eye out for the foamy brown sacs attached to plants. These are mantis egg cases, each one containing dozens, sometimes even hundreds of tiny mantis nymphs. When spring arrives, these young mantises will emerge ready to hunt and help control garden pests. By creating a welcoming environment, you'll not only enjoy watching these remarkable insects but also benefit from their natural pest control abilities all season long. The life cycle of the praying mantis is just as fascinating. From eggs, tiny nymphs emerge already resembling miniature versions of the adults. Over the summer they molt multiple times, shedding their exoskeletons as they grow. By late summer and early fall they reach adulthood, ready to reproduce and continue the cycle. Adults typically live for about a year, completing their role as guardians of the garden. Elegant, patient, and deadly, the praying mantis is living proof that not all bugs are bad. They are one of the many allies working quietly to protect our food and restore balance to nature. This has been another episode in our Beneficial Insects series here on Agri Chronicles. If you found this fascinating, hit that like button, share this with fellow growers, and subscribe so you don't miss our next insect ally. Until then, keep growing, keep learning, and keep working with nature, not against it.